Hey babes, welcome back to another vlog. Today is January the 2nd. It's a new year, 2025. We are headed to dinner right now. Y'all saw me do my workout. My trainer has an app. She's doing a 31-day hard, and your girl's fell off. She's a little fluffy over here. So we are doing her 31-day hard. Yesterday I didn't do a workout, so I actually did my 2 scheduled workout. I did my scheduled workout for today, and then I did my workout that was scheduled for yesterday. So I did 2 workouts in one day so that I would still be on track. We're about to go to Japanese hibachi, and I'm not getting any rice, no carbs. We're just gonna get a protein and the veggies. It's the next day and we are about to go to Pilates class. I told y'all that I'm doing this 31-day challenge with my trainer, working out every day. Today is pretty much a rest day for me, but we working out every day this month. I scheduled a Pilates appointment for 9:45, so I'm about to get out of here. I'm just wearing this jacket. These are my Pilates socks. It's from Abercrombie & Fitch. It's a leather puffy coat. Love it. I don't wear it all the time, but I do wear it mornings, school drop-offs, things like that, and when I have morning Pilates because it's really warm. And I just got on this Adidas workout pants set, shirt, and my slipper, I don't know what those called, Taz's, for comfort. Then of course I have my Pilates socks. My mom got me super cute Pilates socks with the grippers on the bottom, and these are super cute. That's what we're about to do, go to Pilates. I'll take y'all along with me. I won't do too much because I do want to concentrate, but I'll, let y'all see a couple of our moves, okay? I'll check back in with y'all later. I'm gonna go ahead and jump right in and show y'all what I got from Trader Joe's. I am doing a 31-day challenge, just basically getting back into my fitness journey that I have completely fell off on, but it's okay. Sometimes it be like that. I got some Caesar salad kits. Love these. They're just so easy, and the lettuce is so fresh. Love this vegan Caesar dressing. These are the ingredients in it. Super clean. Got some Brussels sprouts, some avocado toast, frozen strawberries for my smoothies. I got the kids a kit so they can make pizza. This pizza crust is so good. Mozzarella cheese, and we have some turkey pepperoni in the refrigerator already. Got some marinara sauce as well. My son loves these spring rolls, so got some chicken and vegetable spring rolls. And also these chicken dumplings. These are so good. I had a taste for some eggplant parmesan. I saw one of my favorite vloggers, Aaliyah's face. She made some and it looks so good. My mom used to make eggplant parmesan all the time growing up as a kid, and it was so good. So I bought me an eggplant because I'm gonna make me some eggplant parmesan and use some of this mozzarella while they have pizza. I got some low-fat cottage cheese, some Greek non-fat yogurt, vanilla flavored. I also got some branzino fillets. I am doing no meat, basically just seafood and salmon. I also have prepped salmon, and I have salmon cooking now in the oven with some asparagus that I also bought today as well. So that's what we're doing for dinner tonight. Mason loves sweet potato fries, and he loves Trader Joe's sweet potato fries, so got him some sweet potato fries. He loves the orange chicken, got him that as well. And I also got me some Argentina shrimp. This Argentina red shrimp is so good. So I got 2 bags of that. I got me some kombucha, Pink Lady apple flavored. One of my girlfriends put me onto this and I have been hooked ever since. Every time I go, you see I bought 4 of them. They're always sold out. So every single time I go to Trader Joe's, I get this oil. This oil is so good. It's almost like the Osea or Osea that I get from Ulta, OSEA. I'll insert something on one of these sides. It's not as good as that. Well, it may be on the same lines of this. I use this only at night. When I shower at night, I use this as my body moisturizer. It's a body oil and it smells absolutely divine. So hit up your next Trader Joe's and make sure y'all look for this because it is so good. So I'm hooked on that. So I always make sure that I'm stocked. And I got me some blueberries. I had them over at the sink so I can wash them. I'll put blueberries on my non-fat yogurt. So yeah, that's what we bought from the grocery store. We also got us some bananas as well. So I'm going to go ahead down here and do some more editing and wait until this dinner is done. Might have me get me a little snack to wait while I'm waiting on dinner because I haven't eaten all day, guys, and it is almost 4 o'clock, which is horrible. So I may eat me a quick little healthy snack. I might eat me a little bit of yogurt before dinner's ready just so I can get something in my stomach. We just secured our new iMac M4. They're going to bring it out to my car so I don't have to walk it all the way to my car because it is a big box.
Can I put it on the floor so it don't leave?
Okay, we have secured our new iMac. It is in the back seat. He brought it to my car. So nice. I was so worried about that because I didn't want to come out the store walking all the way across to parking with this huge box, and he said it was a bit heavy, so that was so nice of him to carry it out to my car for me. We'll go ahead and do an unboxing once we get home, but let's hurry up and get home because I am rushing. I'm just on my lunch hour and I have a 3 o'clock important meeting, so I'm trying to get home quickly. It is 1:50 now, so we should make it home in plenty of time. So I will check back in with y'all when we do an unboxing. So we are in my closet. I just brought this desk down here to my closet. Y'all know I bought my iMac M4, so we're about to unbox it right now. So I'm about to go grab it because this is still my core office per se. Let me go ahead and get my iMac and I'll be right back. Here we are, babes. I opted for the yellow because it seemed more neutral than all the other colors. I know they had silver, but I didn't want to get silver. That's so Apple. You know, if they have a variety of colors available, I wanted to make sure that I get something that was colorful, but still fits within my neutral palette that I like. So yellow was the closest to the brown family. So and tan family. So this is the one we got. This is the new one. I've been eyeing it, determine if I wanted it or not, but I just went ahead and bit the bullet. Just wanted something that was a bigger monitor for me with editing. Let's go ahead and jump into this unboxing. I'm also going to shoot a short form content as well. I need to go get my tripod and so that I can set up my cell phone. So my phone just went dead, so it looks like we're not doing a reel. We got our magic mouse. You see here it's gold. Keyboard is nice and gold. And you see the monitor is pretty gold. I love that it's so big. That's what I love. So we're gonna plug all this stuff in. are all set up with our iMac. Absolutely love, 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 love. I can sit here, do my editing. I typically was editing from my MacBook, but now I don't have to do that. I can just come straight in here, plug up my external hard drive, which is where I export all of my footage onto, and then I just come in here and edit. Like, this is going to be so amazing. I'm so excited. So I'm going to go ahead and end this vlog here, guys. Thanks so much for hanging out with me today. Tomorrow, it's going to be a snow day for the kids. We're expecting 1 to 3 inches of snow here in Atlanta, which is unheard of. The last time we had a horrible snowstorm was in 2014. I can't remember, but it was horrible. If we get snow, I'll pick up my camera for you guys to show you guys the Atlanta snow. Reminds me of home. I'll just check back in with you guys and see you next vlog. I can't believe we have all this snow here in Atlanta. It's absolutely crazy. And it's the kind of snow that packs, so they can actually make snowmen if they want to, but it's too cold. Your girl about to go back inside.